be the truth. Aman dito kan kada magboy lagi tagibo. The government is for the people and by the people and for the people. We are living in one of the most biggest democracy nation. Whether be American logo da itia. Ama kan limite do government na takan isna sudo. Janwar isna kati kina jungle de philai dibo. Rape kuri kina murder kuri kina philai dibo. Government put the American logo da justice deliver kuri ase. It is a high time. Forget about differentiation between our Naga communities. Time to join hands together, fight for our common cause. Time to fight for our rights. Now, I don't know about the present situation that I say. We are very sad to see the realities within our Naga communities. Ami han logo the differentiation kora laga. Ami han logo the ego daga laga. Ini kala to amat hatai diulah lagi deh. Time to wake up. Time to stand united. Time to fight for our rights. Ami an itu birthday kora lagi dulu. Ami lagi the kualis na. It will be too late for him to aman kali do. Aman kade diri hui jabo. Itu particular case, Pimla murder case, like Kesutlungle nakabi. Ami an itu pursue kuri na homoy de. Ami kan naka state government brado. Ami kan logo de serious galwa kare. Ajitak it compels us to go for this type of agitation. It compels us to go for this type of public rally. The citizens of Parent district, particularly my Jinamro people, as I belong to Jinamro people, Ami Khanbe, first phase of agitation be Amame Paratak Kurise. A peaceful means of agitation with the support from our Naga communities. Paratak to Aman Kurise. Aman government de koi thake. Don't compel us to go for second phase of agitation. Will it be? Thai Khan Lagado, Ami Khan Lago commitment to solve this how we say. Time DB ko man time bise. Justice be delivered kurila paralai. Therefore, it compels us to go for second phase of agitation. Second phase of agitation draw homoi de. Aji Ami Khan district wise the aman de.